guys, this is really weird because I'm actually filming in my new home. I'm not fully moved in yet, but the kitchen's in. We still have to put like the borders on the bottom of the kitchen, but I'm in my new home. I thought I'd do something a bit different because this is my vlog channel. I thought I'd throw this video onto it instead of doing it on my beauty channel, which makes absolutely no sense. But I'm just after getting more cleaning supplies from Dealz, and I was just talking to you guys about how much I'm obsessed with Dealz, and I was talking about that in my last video, and I've decided that I'm going to do a Dealz haul, my very first Dealz haul. If you're not sure what Dealz is, if you live in the UK, it's called Poundland. So Dealz, Poundland, same thing. So I want to show you what my favorite things to buy in Dealz, Poundland, whatever you want to call it, and some of like my cult favorite things. Sorry if the sun is like coming in and out. This is not going to be like my forever filming spot, by the way, guys. We haven't figured all that out. But anyway, went to Dealz, picked up stuff, and I was like, I pick these same things up like over and over and over and over. So maybe it'd be a good thing to like show them in a video. So I'm just going to start with the first thing I bought, which I'm so basic, but these are unreal. These are the magic sponges, and if you've never used these before, where have you been? Where have you been? You need to pick these up. These are incredible. If you're into cleaning, like I am, so into my cleaning these days, these are a lifesaver. They look like this, hang on. They're just like a sponge, a basic like sponge. And what I usually do is I usually cut it in half and then in half again. So I'll just have little cubes. You won't actually believe this. Like, you just won't. You have to try it to see what exactly I'm talking about, but I recommend these 100% if you're into cleaning. Just cleaning down surfaces, cleaning down like windowsills, windows, anything you want with them. These are the most incredible sponges ever, and I'm like ranting about like a sponge, but you need to try them to realize the amazingness that is these erasers. And I think they're really good. I've heard for if like kids are like scribbling on the wall or something, they're really good at like removing like pencil marks and stuff like that. So definitely try them out. Oh my god, guys, I used this for years and years, and I don't know where I would have been without this. So I used this in my last home when I moved out, and this is the Astonished Mold and Mildew Blaster. Basically, this kills 99.9% of bacteria, but I always purchase this because it's so good at like cleaning. Like, it really cleans everything like to where an inch of its life. Like anything that's stained, mildew, dirt, soot, that just has dirt and grime basically on it, like cleaning my oven is what this is what's going to be used. It's just amazing. Like, I know it says for mold and mildew, but I feel like you can use it on anything. Like, I don't like especially use this on like moldy, mildewed areas, because realistically, who's going to have mold or mildew in their home if they're in it all the time, to get me, unless your house is damp. But highly recommend this. And again, like, you know, Dealz, everything's like $1.49 or £1 if you live in the UK. Next thing I bought, and I purchase these all the time as well, these are the Ever Ready Cleaning Made Easy hardwood floor wipes. What the hell am I trying to say? Basically, they're floor wipes, but they have an antibacterial purpose to them. And I always buy these ones. You can buy like any brand, but the reason I get these ones is because, you know, the size of a normal wipe, well, these are even bigger. Like, look at the size of them. They're incredibly big. So they're not just for the floor. I use them on surfaces to clean down surfaces and stuff. So they are amazing and a must-have for cleaning your home. I'm gonna get kind of the cleaning stuff out of the way, and then I'll talk about the food. Another favorite of mine is the Flash Bathroom. This has Febreze in it. This takes everything off. Everything, all the dirt and scum and grime, and I love it. I actually can't believe I'm so passionate about cleaning products at the moment, but I just feel like because I've lived at home for a year and have only kind of cleaned it a little bit, now I'm kind of in my own place. Well, we'll be moving into my own apartment with John and stuff. I just, you know, I'm gonna be the cleaner, you know. It's not like when you live at home and your mum will do the cleaning, you kind of pull your weight, but she does the majority of the cleaning. Whereas when I'm obviously living here, I'm gonna be the main cleaner. And this is really good at like cleaning your shower, I find, particularly your shower, because I know that like it gets like that scummy residue from like the soap like if you're using like shower gel or shampoo or whatever, it kind of leaves like scummy residues. This is really, really, really good at it. And again, I find it brilliant at kind of cleaning up tiles and stuff. I haven't used it on the tiles here. The tiles here are a little bit stained, like the grout is a wee bit stained. So I haven't tried it on grout that's stained yet. So I might give it a go and see what it's good, but this is just amazing. And again, $1.49 or £1. The next thing I bought was actually the Dove Caring hand wash. I absolutely love this hand wash. It's just hand wash. There's no need to kind of go into more detail about it. Oh my god, it just smells amazing. John thinks I have an obsession with soap. I actually do. All like my little containers, all are like different themes, you know, like soap containers, and I'm just, yeah, I'm obsessed with them. I love soap, I love it. Guys, this stuff, I don't know where it's been all my life, I really don't. This product I discovered, I'd say about 6 months ago, and my life has been changed dramatically. And my mum actually introduced me to it. She was talking about it at home, and she was saying like it's one of the best bacterial, antibacterial stuff, and she's been using it for years. What is it, I hear you ask? What is it? It's Zoflora. Zoflora. This is the pink grapefruit one. I also have, hang on, up here. I also have this one. This is the Linen Fresh. This is one of my favorite scents, but I picked up the limited edition pink grapefruit because it came out for summer. Basically, what you do is, it's the most randomest product ever, but like if it wasn't for my mama, I wouldn't have a clue what it was. It looks like this, so it's just a very concentrated disinfectant, and basically what you do is you put a cap full into water and you dilute it down to obviously create an antibacterial solution. So you can use it like on your worktops in like a spray bottle, or what you can do is you can put a bit of it onto tissue, rub it onto your radiators, and then when the heat of the radiator comes off, it'll give a scent to the room. You can put a little bit of this on tissue paper and throw it into the bottom of your bin. Oh my god, it smells amazing. Think of it like orange cordial, or like cordial basically, where you mix like a little bit of the cordial in with water, and you can do everything with this. It's so good and so potent, and it smells amazing, and it just makes any home smell delish. Like I've been using the Linen Fresh one since I've been kind of cleaning up the apartment, and the whole apartment just smells of Linen Fresh. Now it's gonna smell like pink grapefruit. This is a must-have of mine from Dealz. Must-have. I cannot recommend highly enough. Like I love it so much, I'm halfway through my first actual bottle of it. I just can't believe it's taken me so long to try it. Thanks, mama. Okay, that's enough of the cleaning. I'm gonna move on to kind of a little bit of beauty. Yeah, 2 beauty products. They're both from Fern McCann, her range. So what we've got here is eyelashes, and then this body spray. I absolutely love the smell of this body spray. It's Sweet Sorrento, it's called. And like, just if I forgot perfume, I usually leave a spray bottle of this in my car. If I forgot perfume, I just kind of spray it on my body. It's like the Impulse for women. Remember them, like that were out years ago? And this one resembles a little bit of like sun cream and like a really expensive perfume, but that's not like mature. Do you know the way sometimes like expensive perfumes can be really mature smelling, whereas this smells real sophisticated, but it also kind of has like a holiday scent to it. I don't know why I feel like holiday or sun cream or something when I use it, but that's really, like, I love that. I like them. They have 3, I think, scents in. This is my favorite one, and then I think the orange one next, if I don't like the purple one at all. And then her lashes. So if you just want kind of like basic lashes, these are the lashes that I recommend. And I really like these for just like basic everyday wear, you know. And that's all I need to really say about them. The style is Astrid, that I get from more like natural looking lashes if I just want lashes. But I highly recommend them. You can't get them anywhere else other than Dealz. I need to get on to my last kind of few bits, which are all food items. Shocker. My favorite crisps of life. Like, I mean, there is nothing that compares to these. Nothing on the market at all that compares to these. The Occasion crisps from Tato. I don't know if you can get these in Poundland, but if you can, you need them. You need them in your life. You have to. They're in every Dealz in the country, and they're $1.49 a pack, and usually they're like $2.80 if you buy them in Tesco. So I always get them in Dealz because they're more affordable. Favorite crisps of life. I can't believe I'm actually talking about food products and cleaning products, but yeah, I love them. I always buy these. Always. The Drumstick Squishies. Like, where have you been if you haven't tried these? They're delicious. Love them. Okay, I wanted some cereal for myself, but I just wanted like 1 cup because I knew if I bought a box, it wouldn't go down well. But the Lucky Charms, like, how can you not buy Lucky Charms? Lucky Charms are not available in Ireland. And the reason why is because they're so high in sugar. Like they're really hard to find, but the reason why you couldn't get them for so long was because of the sugar content. So I don't know what they've done to kind of sneak in Lucky Charms into Ireland. I don't know how they're doing it, but they were so expensive, and I remember asking in college about certain products that weren't sold in Ireland. They said it was got to do with the sugar regulations. We obviously have a sugar tax, and I think this, because the amount of sugar in them made them so expensive or something like that. I can't remember what it was, and that's why they didn't have them in Ireland for ages. But if you do buy a box of Lucky Charms, like, I mean, even though these are like a tub for one, they're still $1.49 or like £1. So you know what I mean, like they're still kind of expensive for what they are. Like you buy a box of like Kellogg's cornflakes for like $2.50 or something like that, so you can see they're kind of expensive for what they are, but that's because of the sugar taxes. And then my last two items, the first one is like my favorite thing to get for a snack, and it's the roasted and salted cashew nuts. I know they're not like the most healthy nuts you could be eating, but they're delicious, and they come in that yellow bag. I love them, can't stress how much I love them. And then these are so random, but I love to have these because I always get them when I'm in the hairdressers, or if I'm, you know, out at a cafe or something. They always put these inside your coffee, and they're these biscuits. They're the Lotus Biscoff. I don't know what exactly they are. I think they're like caramel flavored. Oh yeah, they're caramelized biscuits. Basically they just taste like caramelized sugar, but they're so good, and I love having them with coffee because I don't really feel like, you know, if I start eating chocolate biscuits, I'm just never gonna ever stop. Like, I'm just never gonna stop eating them. Whereas I feel because you get 2 of these in a pack, you just eat the 2 and then that's it, you're kind of done. Unless you're addicted to biscuits, and then you just won't stop, you'll just eat the whole bag. But I love these, and I love to have them with coffee, so yeah, I just purchased them. I saw them in Dealz and I had to get them. Okay guys, I have talked for long enough, like about 15 minutes about cleaning products, food, and biscuits. Like, it's so random. So you can see why this is on my vlogging channel and not on my beauty channel, because it doesn't really go, does it? Anyway guys, I hope you've had a lovely time here with me through my Dealz haul. Oh yeah, and stay tuned for actual vlogs as well. They're coming up. If you like this type of video on my vlogging channel, thumbs it up. Thank you so much for watching today. I hope you got some enjoyment out of today's video. I will talk to all you guys in my next one.